Thank you, SES, for this opportunity. I have nothing to disclose. So previously, as a part of our pilot study, we have shown that the somatic nerve transfer can restore bladder, urethral, and anal sphincter sensory and motor functions in long-term decentralized canines. And in this study, we continued exploring the effectiveness of reinnervation in nerve transfer canines based on behavior analysis, in vivo electrophysiology, and retrograde tracing from bladder. So in our study, we used four groups of animal: decentralized plus reinnervated, shame operated, and unoperated control animals. For the decentralization, we performed transection of all roots caudal to L7, where we transected L7 dorsal root, whereas the ventral root L7 was intact. We also removed the dorsal root ganglia from L7 to S3, and bilateral transection of hypogastric nerve were also performed. For the reinnervation, after 9 to 13 months post-operation, we perform the obtutor to pelvic nerve transfer to restore the bladder function, and pudendal to pelvic sciatic nerve transfer to restore the anal sphincter and urethral function. We have first performed home cage behavior observation, where we have recorded frequency of squat and void postures as well as defecation postures for 24 hours at monthly interval pre-post decentralization and post reinnervation. We also perform the observation of squat and void postures with full bladder in awake state. For that, first we fill the bladder up to capacity and then transfer the animal to the transport cage with full bladder and remove catheter and also observe their behavior for 10 minutes. 3 weeks prior to euthanasia, the bladder was cystoscopically injected with fluorogold dye, and immediately prior to euthanasia, transferred nerve as well as spinal roots from L2 to S3 were electrically stimulated in order to evaluate the motor response. At the end, L2 to S3 spinal ganglion were collected and assessed for the retrograde labeled neuronal cell bodies. So these are the behavior observation graphs in shame animals, where x-axis shows the post-operation day, y-axis posture per day, blue squares squat and void posture, and defecation posture shows in rectangle. We have found the consistent voiding and defecation postures in shame animals as post-operation as compared to pre-surgery data. So for decentralized animal, we have found 8 of 12 animals did not show or showed very few squat and void posture over long decentralized period. None of the animals showed defecation postures, and 4 of these 8 animals that showed high frequency squat and void posture during initial months of decentralization were found positive with culture confirmed bacteria, and these postures were got eliminated when treated with the antibiotic treatment. We also observed some intermediate postures between maturation and defecation postures of long duration in few animals during long-term decentralization period. The 8 animals that underwent for the reinnervation surgery, 7 of them started showing squat and void postures at 4 to 6 months after reinnervation. One of these 8 animals also showed voluntarily voiding twice when performed non-anesthetized bladder filling, and we observed one of these animals defecation showed defecation postures consistently at 4 to 6 months post reinnervation. So the behavior observation results suggested sensory reinnervation as well as partial motor reinnervation. So this graph shows in vivo bladder, urethral and anal sphincter pressure responses after transferred nerve electrical stimulation. We have found 5 of 7 animals showed elevated detusor pressure after stimulation of obtutor to pelvic nerve transfer, whereas for 4 of 8 animals showed elevated urethral, and all 8 animals showed elevated anal sphincter pressure after stimulation of sciatic to pudendal nerve transfer. We also perform the in vivo electrical stimulation of spinal roots from L2 to S3 in order to record the response from bladder, urethral and anal sphincter pressure. So this particular graph shows the bladder pressure response when stimulated spinal roots from L2 to S3. We have found that detusor pressure was significantly reduced in decentralized and reinnervated animals as compared to shame or unoperated control animals when stimulated L7 to S3. And we also found that the teaser pressure was higher in reinnervated animal after the stimulation of L2 to L6 route as compared to L7 to S3 stimulation. These results suggest the restoration of bladder function based on functional electrical stimulation. So these graph shows in vivo urethral sphincter responses and anal sphincter responses when perform spinal root stimulation. Urethral sphincter pressure reduced in reinnervated animals compared to sham unoperated after the stimulation of L7 to S3 route, and interaction between segment and surgical groups were significantly different, and anal sphincter pressure reduced significantly in decentralized and reinnervated animals as compared to sham animals when stimulated L7 to S3, and we have also found the significant reduction in anal sphincter pressure in sham animals after stimulation of L2 to L6. So in our fluorogold labeling analysis from bladder in dorsal root ganglia, we have found the fluorogold labeled cell in L2 to L6 as a segmental label increased significantly in denervated animals as compared to sham, which is the source of obturator nerve transfer, which further confirm our sensory reinnervation. So we have also found the increased in fluorogold label cells in the ventral horn region of L2 to L6 segments in the obturator nerve transfer animal as compared to sham, which further confirmed our motor reinnervation. So based on these results, it can be suggested that the nerve transfer can induce recovery of both sensation of bladder fullness and the ability to empty the bladder in long-term decentralized animals. I would like to say thank you to all team members of Rigeria and Bab Labs for their help and support, our collaborator Dr. Brown, Dr. Ponteri, Dr. Bagnall and Dr. Mazi for their help and consultation, and at the end thank you NIH for the funding support.